think that will work. So under quizzes, I guess I've told y'all already, the chemistry stuff you can practice if you want. Of course, you're probably waiting until test one is over with. But I made a little thing in here for functional groups under chemistry. So if you call them A, B, C, D, and E, can you see the aldehyde? Can you see it? So there's aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes are on the end of the chain, and ketones are a carbonyl in the middle of the chain. Which one? The third one? Yep. This is an alcohol. This is an ether. This one down here is a ketone. Here's the carbonyl, and the carbon is connected to two carbons. So that's a secondary carbonyl, and we call the secondary carbonyls ketones. This one down here has these two oxygens. That's the carboxylic acid. This is the aldehyde. You've got a carbon with a carbonyl on it, and it's a primary carbon, which means it's going to be on the end of a chain, so it's down. So I have a good number of these in here. How about this one? Which one is an ether?
B.
B. This is the ether. Ether is just oxygen sandwiched in the chain somewhere, so it's that one. What else we got? Which of these functional groups does not contain an oxygen? It's the amine. Amide does have an oxygen in it. Amide has an oxygen and a nitrogen. So the carbonyls, the carbon double bonded to oxygen, which of these functional groups contains a carbonyl? Carbonyl is carbon double bonded to an oxygen. Yep, amide, it's the first one. Amide has a carbon double bonded to an oxygen. That's the top right here. What is this one? If strategy-wise, so that's an amine. Strategy-wise, if you see a nitrogen and there's not an oxygen nearby, then it's going to be an amine or an amide, and then you can go by whether it's primary or secondary or whatever. What else? Well, I don't have many of those in there. But I have that for y'all to review, and I think we'll cut it short today. You guys okay for the test?